In a room of just 23 people, the odds that 2 of them share a birthday are 50-50. That sounds impossible. It is not. In a room of just 23 people, there is a 50-50 chance that 2 of them share a birthday. That feels impossible. After all, there are 365 days in a year, so how can 23 people be enough? Here is where your gut leads you astray. Your gut pictures you walking in and comparing your birthday to everyone else's. That is only 22 comparisons, and the chance that someone matches you is small. But that is the wrong question. Nobody said the match has to include you. The real question is whether any 2 people in the whole room share a day. So stop counting people, start counting pairs. Every pair is 1 more chance at a match. And with 23 people, the number of pairs is not 22. It is 253. 253 pairs, each with a small shot at matching. Those small chances pile up fast. Run the math, and by 23 people, the odds of a shared birthday already cross 50%. Add a few more, and it rockets. At 50 people, it is 97%. At 70, all but certain. Here is the lesson your gut missed. Matches grow with pairs, and pairs grow far faster than people. It is also why coincidences feel spooky, but usually are not. There were more chances than you noticed. The same trap hides everywhere. Repeated passwords, colliding data, lottery near misses, all likelier than they feel. So next time something feels like a 1 in a million coincidence, ask how many chances there really were. Next time something feels like a 1 in a million shot, count how many chances there really were. Follow along and learn to see it.